The latest news about Hezbollah includes several significant developments. There have been exchanges of attacks across the Lebanon-Israel border, with the situation escalating since Iranian embassy attack by Israel in Syria, downing of an Israeli drone. Hezbollah claimed to have shot down an advanced Israeli drone, a Hermes 900 model, worth an estimated $5 million. Casualties and airstrikes. A senior Hezbollah commander was reportedly killed in an Israeli airstrike, increasing fears over a potential war in Lebanon. Before we proceed with the news and facts, please like and subscribe the channel to continue to receive such informative videos. Thank you. An Israeli unmanned aerial vehicle, valued at around $5 million, was brought down by Hezbollah combatants. Social media visuals depicted the UAV ablaze, plummeting towards the ground within Lebanese borders, as reported by the Iran-affiliated news source Al Mayadeen. The downed drone was identified by Hezbollah as a Hermes 900 type. Following this, the Israeli Defense Forces executed airstrikes, targeting 3 locations associated with Hezbollah's air defense systems in the Baalbek district, located in northeastern Lebanon. These aerial attacks occurred in the context of allegations by Nabi Berri, Lebanon's parliamentary speaker, suggesting that Israel is intentionally provoking Beirut into conflict. Concurrently, United Nations representatives have issued cautions emphasizing the urgent need to halt hostilities along the Lebanon-Israel frontier to preserve the opportunity for diplomatic engagement. Iran's highest authority, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has dismissed the idea of sending volunteers to Palestinian lands, signaling that Tehran is steering clear of direct terrestrial engagement in the conflict between Israel and Hamas. Israel has facilitated the passage of over 300 humanitarian aid vehicles into Gaza, marking the most substantial single-day influx since hostilities commenced on October. Officials from the United Nations have voiced a call for cessation of hostilities along the border of Israel and Lebanon, advocating for a reduction in tensions while the window for diplomatic resolution remains open. Itamar Ben-Gvir, the staunchly conservative national security minister of Israel, has cautioned Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of his intention to retract support should the military fail to initiate an operation in Rafah. Nabi Berri, who presides over Lebanon's legislative body and is an ally of Hezbollah, has affirmed Lebanon's commitment to maintaining composure in the face of border disputes with Israel, vowing to prevent these skirmishes from escalating into a broader regional conflict. The Director General of the World Health Organization has condemned Israel's obstruction of humanitarian assistance into Gaza as cruel and unacceptable. In a vehement critique at the International Court of Justice, Nicaragua denounced Germany's actions as disgraceful, criticizing its provision of arms to Israel while concurrently offering aid to Gaza. Sources from Egypt have indicated that Israel and Hamas are nearing a consensus on a ceasefire agreement in Gaza. Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese has expressed dissatisfaction with Israel's lack of a thorough account regarding the demise of 7 humanitarian workers the previous week. Despite Israel's retraction of ground troops from Gaza, the nation's military leader has issued a cautionary note that the conflict with Hamas is yet to reach a conclusion. The Israel Defense Force has reported the demise of a high-ranking Hezbollah commander following an airstrike by an Israeli combat aircraft in the southern regions of Lebanon. Participants in a procession in Beirut bore the casket of Hezbollah's deceased commander, Ali Ahmed Hussein.